Alright guys, I had to start a whole new video because my microphone was not working, and today is going to be all about Nerf guns, even though I hadn't posted any video because this is my mom's account. My phone is dead and so is my iPad, so yeah, I can't really film on any of those right now. So yeah, I have two Nerf guns I wanted to show you guys, and yeah, I have one right here. Let me set up my camera. My other video was kind of crazy, so I'm glad the microphone wasn't working. Alright, I think you guys are kind of dang, why the camera's so blurry? Alright, my lighting is probably horrible. Alright, yeah. My lighting's a little bit better. Alright, sorry guys. Taking a long time up, but yeah. So this gun right here is a stock 8 elite gun, and I'm new to this YouTube and Nerf gun thing, so yeah, don't judge me, alright? So yeah, this is a 10 bullet holder, well 10 dart holder, and it's an electric gun, which I'm pretty sure all you guys would know that if you're watching this video. And basically, that's how you turn it on to work. Batteries don't come with it actually, and that's a safety. It's pretty cool they have on there. And I also have my disruptor, which is pretty cool. 6 bullet holder. I don't have 6 dart holder. I can change it. But yeah, 6 dart holder, and it shoots really hard. You do not want to get hit with a disruptor. And I'm fixing on modding this gun. It's like very awesome. I just really want to mod it. And so yeah, all my other Nerf guns are at my dad's house, which I might be filming there too. But yeah, so pretty much, look at this. I have 60 bullets right here. Wait, do I have any bullets in it? No. Alright, so, yeah, I have 60 bullets all here just for my two guns. And, yeah, I want to show you guys how hard this baby hits, alright? Let me just wait. Alright. Oh, dang. Alright, you guys. Here, sorry, you guys are laying on my shoes. Hear this. Do not hear that. It hurts, dude. Like, it really hurts. This one hurts a little bit more, I guess, because it's electric and, you know, it's just shooting out bullets. But, yeah, this channel is pretty much all about Nerf guns. If it's not, it's just about my daily life or big things that happen. And yeah, so these are my Nerf glasses, and yeah, my friends might be in this when the school year starts. And also, guys, if you don't know, I'm not no LA YouTuber. Yeah, no, I'm actually from Colorado. I live in Colorado now. But since I'm just starting, I don't want no creepy people going to my account knowing where I live. So I'm not going to say the city, but I'm going to say the state. So even though I'm a little bit safe, but still, I'm going to do this stuff. So yeah, I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel. So please, if you like Nerf guns, if anyone else you know likes Nerf guns, please tell them to visit my channel. And yeah, my name isn't Harmony. This is my mom's account. So this is her phone. So I'll be posting maybe on my other account, which is an iAcker, I'm pretty sure. So yeah. Well, yeah. Peace out, guys.